So this is a quick video to show um, how in Microsoft Edge to clear your browser. So in Microsoft Edge, you'll see an icon that looks like three dots going horizontal. If you click on it and you go down to History, you'll see a Clear Browsing Data option. Once you click Clear Browsing Data, a window will open and you'll see a time range option here at the top. You want to make sure in the drop down all time is selected. And for what we're doing here, you want to make sure that cached images and files is selected. So if there are any check marks in these three boxes, you want to uncheck them. This is the only box that we need checked for our purposes. And then if you hit the button that says clear now, the window will disappear once it's finished. And then you want to click the X at the top right to close Microsoft Edge. And then you want to relaunch it and it should work. Thank you.